Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Friday afternoon. Another week gone by. We had some fabulous engines run here. We had customers stop in. Oh, it was a great week. Now we're finishing up with another little one of our 347s. This happens to be a custom paint. No, excuse me. This is a red block with a dual sump pan. Again, it's got a beautiful March serpentine kit on it. Got a Phi-Tech fuel injection system on it. This happens to be our 450 edition. Again, we custom build each and every engine in-house to order. So again, if there's anything you like, give us a call, place the order, and we'll be happy to put something together for you. Again, if you'd like to buy lunch and breakfast, come on down and watch me build your motor. I enjoy that too. Hey, peace and God bless. Everybody have a good weekend. Thank you. Nice. Watch it come down. We'll watch the idle come down nice. Beautiful. Running about 750. Very nice.